welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to install your WordPress on a VPS. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So installing WordPress on a virtual private server typically involves several steps, including setting up the server environment. After this, you need to create a database and then deploy WordPress itself. So first of all, you need to simply prepare your VPS. So once you have connected VPS via your SSH, that is your client, you need to connect your VPS using its IP address and root. You can simply paste in the credentials that you can get in your internet website and update your system packages. Once this is done, you can also install your web server and then replace your Apache. Once this is done, create a WordPress database. Log in into your MySQL and enter the root password you set previously. After this, you need to install your WordPress and extract the WordPress files. Give permissions and configure WordPress and complete installation. So this is how you can install WordPress on VPS. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.